Good morning. Ron here in Glastonbury. We know that the construction has kept some of you away. However, now if you come down Route 2, exit 8, either side you come east to west or west to east, take exit 8, it'll bring you right straight in to Hebron Avenue into our store. So we appreciate you coming in. And at the end of this video, it'll be only about a minute, we're going to give you a special gift. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you how to get the gift if you come in this week. A few more notes of information. On November 10th, 9:30 to 12, we're going to have a brother educator here in our store to show you the new top-of-the-line Luminaire. The class is free. That seating is limited. So give us a call. That's November 10th. It's a Saturday morning. The Southington store will be doing it on Friday. So 9:30 to 12. One additional event I want to tell you about is we're going to have a regional training on the Janome 15,000 and the Janome S9. December 1st here in Glastonbury. We'll be sending an email out as well. Some of you had asked for this, and we got it. So if you come in this week, we appreciate it. And to show you our appreciation, we'll give you a free gift. Just mention free gift, and you'll get the gift. It'll start today up to and including Sunday. So I look forward to seeing you. Thank you for your patience, and always thank you for your support. Have a great day.